Welcome to Rajesh Lekalu. Today our topic is straight line problems. This type of problem will ask in JW main exam. Okay. Two sides of a parallelogram are along the lines x plus y equal 3 and x minus y plus 3 equals 0. If its diagonal intersects at 2, 4, then one of its vertex is these four options here, right? See, this one is diagonal. What is the here? P, Q, R, S. Okay, right? X plus y equal to 3, x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Right? What is the midpoint here? M 2, 4. See here, intersect the two diagonals. Intersect point here 2, 4. Okay, right? R is the x1, y1. We have to take in, right? Since x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 3 are perpendicular are perpendicular are perpendicular lines and intersection point of x plus y, x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and x plus y equal to 3 is point 0 comma 3 is point 0 comma 3 here. P point P is 0 comma 3. Okay, right? Sir, how it is possible, sir? See here, solving these two equations. What is that? X minus y equal to minus 3, x plus y equal to 3, right? 2x, this is the 0, x equal to 0. Okay, right? And x value substituting in equation this one and this one or this one. See here, x value 0, y equal to 3. Okay, then we'll get this point. Okay, solving these two equations, this point it will get. Okay, clearly, right? See, that implies m is midpoint of PR. M is midpoint of PR. That implies R see x1 plus 0 by 2 equal to, what is that midpoint is 2. Okay, PR, M is the midpoint of PR. This one, x1 plus 0 equal to, x1 plus 0 by 2 equal to 2, comma, y1 plus 3 by 2 equal to 4. Okay, that implies R, x1 equal to 4, y1 plus 3 equal to 8. That implies R, x1 equal to 4, y1 equal to 5. Okay, that implies R of point here 4, 5. R point here 4, 5. Let's see here. Yes, x1 x1 plus 3. Okay, and q of x2 3 minus x2. See here, x2 equal to y, 3 minus y. Is substituting here, x replaced y replaced x2. Okay, 3 minus y2. See here, x1, this equal to 3 plus y. X equal to 3 plus y. See here, we have some doubts here, clarifying. X minus y equal to 3. Sorry, x minus plus 3 equal to 0. X equal to minus 3 plus y. Okay, right? And next, x plus y equal to 3. X equal to 3 minus y. This is x2 equal to 3 minus x2. Okay, right? sorry, x equal to x2. Now see here, minus 3. Now see here, that implies this one minus y equal to minus 3 minus x, y equal to 3 plus x. What is that? Y equal to 3 plus x1. Okay, is x1, this one is x2 here, 3 plus x1 here, x plus 1 3 here. What is that? Y equal to, see, y equal to minus x x2. Okay, see, y equal to x1, 3 plus x1 here, y equal to 3 minus x2. Okay, see here, this one x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, y equal to 3 plus x1. Okay, clearly x plus y equal to 3, y equal to 3 minus x. What is the substituting here? Y equal to 3 minus x2. Okay, clearly. Therefore, M is midpoint of SQ. M is midpoint of SQ. x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to 2. See here, x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to 2. What is that? This is the midpoint here, 2. M is, see, M of 2 comma 4. M is the midpoint here. See in the question. Okay, right? x1 plus x2 by 2 equal to 2 comma, what is that? x1 plus 3 minus x2 by 2 equal to 4. Okay, x1 plus x2 equal to 4. x1 plus 6 minus x2 equal to 8. x1 minus x2 equal to 2. Okay, right? This is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2, right? What is that? x1 plus x2 equal to 4, x1 minus x2 equal to 2. These two get cancelled. 2x1 equal to 6, x1 equal to 3. Okay, right? x2 equal to, x1 substituting value here 3, x2 equal to 1. Okay, right? Therefore, what is that? Then the vertex means one vertex, any vertex. See in question, see there. Then one of its vertex. What is that vertex here? S. Okay, S vertex we have to find here. See there, S vertex x1 comma x1 plus 3. Vertex, it's S. x1 comma x1 plus 3 equal. What is that? x1 value 3. 3 plus 3 6. 3 plus 3 6. Okay, x1 comma x1 plus 3. x1 value 3. Now substituting here 3 plus 3 6. 3 comma 6. Do you have any doubt? Please comment. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. See 3 comma 6 option here. Option 2. Okay. Do you have any doubt? Please comment. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.